Welcome to Explanation's Tstream online portal demo. Tstream Portal is Explanation's online portal that makes the entire translation ordering process clear and easy. To access the portal, you just need to log in with your unique ID and password. We can create as many individual IDs as necessary for members of your organization so they can order translations themselves. The Start page provides a complete overview of the portal and its contents. It is clearly organized, and you can follow the entire process from start to finish. Using the portal, you can order new translations 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and 365 days a year. You can also download completed translations, check the status of your orders, find contact information for your project manager, and provide feedback. The homepage is made up of 3 sections. The top section shows the project startup and planning, including project quotations. So let's start by creating a new project. In step 1, you just need to enter a project title, select a domain, and verify that the invoicing details are correct. The template section, highlighted in yellow, allows you to create order templates if you order translations in the same language combinations on a regular basis. This will save you time, as you will no longer have to enter a language combination each time. Instead, you will only select the template you would like to use. For example, press release 8 languages. Step 2. Next, you upload the file you would like to have translated. We support all file formats, but editable files, meaning non-PDF files, are best, as they allow a faster translation process. Once you have uploaded the file, you can select the service you require. This means you can indicate whether the assignment involves a translation from one language to another, or the editing of an existing text. If you select a service like translation, which involves multiple languages, you start by selecting the source language, meaning the language in which the document is written, and one or multiple target languages in which you would like the document to be translated. If you select a service that only involves one language, like editing, you only need to select the source language. If you would like your local staff to review the translation we produce, you can indicate that local validation is required. Local validation is a review of our translation carried out at your side. You can type in a colleague's email address, and he or she will be contacted by the Explanation Project Manager when the translation is ready for review. Our teams will implement all the changes required before we deliver the finished product to you. You can request the validation of an individual target language or of several languages. On the right side of the screen, you can add a comment, a reference file, images, or specific instructions. This is always very helpful to our translators. Here, we are adding some reference files to help with the translation project. Step 3. You can now select the deadline and time. We will of course contact you if we are unable to deliver by your requested deadline, and we will suggest an alternative. You can also share your project with a colleague. By sharing all emails related to the project, information will also be sent to your designated colleague. On the right, you have the possibility to add or change the previous comments made, or upload extra reference material. Step 4. The summary you now see shows what has been registered during the previous steps, and you can quickly check whether something needs to be added or removed. You can always go back and change the information you have entered. Also note that all data is encrypted, which means the ordering process is totally safe. You can then either click on the Send Your Project or Request a Quote button. This will initiate the translation process. You will receive an email confirmation containing all project details and necessary contact information. Now, let's look at scheduling a project. You can use this option if you'd like to plan a project in advance. Even if you do not have all the project information, scheduling your project gives us the possibility to plan ahead. Just as for creating a project, you can choose between requesting a quote or simply initiating the project. With this option, you only need to indicate the expected start and delivery dates. The rest is optional. Quotes for approval. Here you will find an overview of all the quotes you received for the projects you ordered or scheduled and haven't been approved or rejected yet. The quote indicates the name of your project manager, the date when the quote was submitted, and what the total cost of the project will be. Ongoing projects. The Ongoing Projects section shows you all running projects and associated details. New files to download. The New Files to Download tile offers you an easy overview of all the files that have been delivered, but which you have not downloaded yet. These can be entire projects or parts of a project. For example, if you've ordered the translation of a catalog into 10 languages, you can see target languages made available as they are ready. From this tile, you can download the completed files. Feedback. When the project is complete and you've downloaded the files, you will then see the number of projects that are awaiting feedback in the Project's Pending Feedback tile. While providing feedback is not mandatory, we truly appreciate receiving a rating and opinion on a project, as this helps us to improve and as a result, maintain our high level of quality. Reports. At any time, you will be able to access 3 types of reports. Project reports are reports on completed projects and previous work produced for you and your team. Quality reports show you details about feedback that has been provided on your projects over time. Financial aspects such as TM performance, costs, and type of service are all to be found under the section Financial Reports. Contact. You can contact your project manager at any time if you have questions regarding the process or if you require support. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our channel.